Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the update on Bitcoin Cash. Recently, the price on a Bitcoin Cash has broken down this very significant uptrend line support. You can see that previously this support had been breaking at a very strong resistance here for several weeks or months. By the way, we are watching on the 7 day time frame chart, and you can see that from the month of September 2022 up till the month of Feb 2023, it has been breaking at the resistance. And after the breakout, since after the month of June 2023, it was breaking at a very nice support. We had several touch points here and several more touch points here as well. Then we had a nice bounce. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here. Now, recently, we have broken it down, and now the pricing is trying to break it out once again. And now we have also found this downtrend and resistance here on the daily time frame chart as well. You can see that for the past several days, it is getting rejected by this resistance as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this down channel and a very huge breakout that is happening here on the 7 day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for SCR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 17th of January 2025 in my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance since after 6th of December 2024. You got few rejections here and few more rejections here. And now the price line has recently broken down this very significant uptrend line support as well. And now we are trying to break it out along with this very long-term resistance of $350. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this $350 has been recently breaking at the resistance here. Before that, it was breaking at the support here. And before that, for a few weeks, it had been breaking at the resistance here and support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work at a very strong resistance for the price line. And here we also have broken down this very significant uptrend line support that was previously breaking at the resistance here for several weeks or months. Now for the breakout for the past several months, it was breaking at a very nice support. And now we need to break out this uptrend line as a resistance because we have broken it down. By the way, we have also tested this long-term support of $270 as well. In case of another rejection by this uptrend line resistance, it can again drop here at this long-term support of $270. That was previously working as support here and resistance here, and this time it can again work as a very strong support for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. By the way, here you can see that we have already broken out this very quite long down channel as well. And so far, the price did not hit the target. We were very close to hit the target because the price had moved up to $636, $39. The technical target for this breakout from this channel was here at the top of the channel at $700. And by the way, from $700 to $800, we have another very long-term resistance. You can see that this resistance zone from $700 to $800 has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance on here, and before that, it was working as a support down here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very strong resistance line. Recently, the price line was rejected by this resistance line here as well, and we also found the resistance of this down channel. Now, here on this 7 day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and after that, we had a very nice rally. But so far, the price line did not hit the target for the breakout from this channel from this wedge, falling wedge. And that long-term target will be here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.